lift with forks, have a plow, a bucket. You can pre-program routes into it, control it from a computer.
So fully remote controlled hood.
Yep. And it has limit switches on it, so you don't have to stop it, it just automatically stops by itself. And then same with the lift, same thing, it will stop by its own limit switch right there.
Right. And then this one here.
Now stop the lift there. Now this is also a webcam, is that right?
Wireless camera from
X10 cam.
X10.
And if we zoom out, we can see the video feed coming through on the monitor right here.
It's mostly software. The electronics is all in the gun. Like getting the laser module to flash and just the one shot, getting it to work the way we want it, being bright enough, and we had to supply the right amount of current and voltage for everything to work properly. It was a lot of troubleshooting. We went through a lot of it.
What did you guys use to code this program?
Visual Basic. That's it, basically. Visual Basic 6, Visual Studio. And also to put the code in the microcontroller on the gun was Pinnacle.
We made a wireless multi-effects unit for a guitar. What it is basically is a transmitter that attaches to your strap on your back. It's out of view unless you turn around. It transmits to a receiver, which is built into the effects pedal, and then the signal runs through the effects pedal. The wireless system is very popular with guitarists now, but it's never been incorporated into the effects pedal before, so as far as I know, it's an original idea.
You guys are the first prize winners for what project this year?
Smart car accessories.
Excellent. So, tell me a little bit about it.
The smart car accessories have been divided into two parts, two systems. The first system, when rain falls and triggers the circuit we have here, it shorts out this circuit. At that point, if the ignition is off and the windows are down, the windows will raise to their factory preset up position. For a practical example, you're in the Seaway Mall or some kind of a mall, you come out and you notice that the rain has been falling. If you have smart car accessories, you don't have to worry because your interior has been protected because the windows have raised the first drop of rain. It's this circuit right here. This is going to be our rain simulation. I'm going to squirt the bottle on the sensors to simulate the rain.
So we see that?
Look at that, windows are going up.
And the windows went up all by themselves. Excellent.
Right here we have an ultrasonic transducer. Pretty much this sends out a sonar pulse, and then when an object, like yourself, reflects the signal back, and this produces a signal proportional to the distance of an object. And we took that voltage, converted it to a digital value, and we displayed that value on an LCD inside the car. So pretty much that LCD inside, which is mounted right below the mirror, will tell you how far you are to an object in front of you. Say if you're parallel parking, and you have it in drive, it'll show you 4 feet to the nearest object in front of you. If you have it in reverse, it'll show you rear 4 feet or whatever, however close the object is to you. So it's just a really useful aid in parallel parking or situations where you can't determine the distance of an object in front or behind your vehicle.
And what's the maximum distance of, like how far will it range? What's the range on the sensor?
If we adjust the sensor, I think the maximum distance is 15 feet, 0 to 15